Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to forward emails in Gmail. So this can be really helpful if you want to forward something quickly to a friend or a business associate. So it's really easy to do. All you need to do is open up your Gmail account. Then you want to find the email that you want to forward. So let's say it's this one. So I want to send this to a friend. All you have to do is look on the right hand side, the three dots. So click on there, and then you should see the second one down, which is forward. Click on there, and you can see the email opens up. I can just forward it like this by adding in the person's email address that I want to send it to. But you can also add in a bit of text if you want. So say, hi, check this out. But you don't need to do that. You can just add in an email address or multiple email addresses. Then all you have to do is click on send. That email will be forwarded to the address that you put in. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.